Hello everybody and welcome to Scratch Theory. In today's video we're going to be making the first part of a cat clicker based off of Cookie Clicker. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make it so that we can click it, it'll change size, and it'll go back to its original size. So I have some variables here. We have size, score, my high score, and world high score. And also on the backdrop we have a crown and a cloud showing the cloud and the best high score you have. So then over in cat, the size is personalized so it doesn't show up on backdrop, but you also see, so it says cat size, so it's a variable individually for that cat. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to events and we're going to do flag clicked, and we're going to get a forever, and then we're going to do set size to, get a plus thing and do, in the first box we're going to do 100, and then we're going to do plus size. And then we're also going to get a set size to set size to itself, size times 0.5. And now let's just test that out, see what that looks like. Set the size to 10, and that does that like that. And that was still pretty fast. I'm going to set it to 25. And that's pretty good, but it's kind of fast. I want it to be a bit slower, so I'm going to go to control. And after that, I'm going to do wait 0.02 seconds. So each time it runs this, every single frame, it waits 0.02 seconds after it divides the size variable by, or cuts the size variable in half, just like that. So it's kind of a nice smooth thing. And then all we need to do is we're going to go over to when this sprite clicked. We've already got the basic game here, and I'm just going to make sure it's in the center. And we can also do that here by doing that, just in case, like, it gets moved or something and then goes back to the center. And we'll also want to set size at the beginning to 0, just like that. Now if we move it around, and we'll just go right back to the center. Or if we move it around and set size to 25, it will still just go back to normal and it won't bounce. Also in the costumes, you'll see I have some other costumes, +1, exclamation mark, +2, +4, +8, and then we can make clones of itself. Create clone of myself, and then when I start as the clone, we could just do something like this. We'll do repeat 10 times, change Y by 2, and change ghost effect by 5, and actually let's make that number 20, and then let's make it so that at the very end it'll delete itself after it's completely invisible. And so we got that. Now we'll just make it so it changes, make sure to go to the front. Where's that? Let's see, go to front layer and change costume to 1. And then we'll also do something like, at the beginning here we'll do switch costume to cat. And then there you'll see it does that, but it doesn't look very good just coming from the middle of the cat. So the last thing that we're going to do for that is we're going to go to mouse pointer. And now we can run it, and we've got cat clicker. Excuse me, that does not go in the forever loop or the repeat loop. It goes just at the beginning. Now you can click the cat and you get quote-unquote points, but the score isn't changing. So next, the second part of the video, we are going to make a score system with cloud system and a best high score personal score system. So first what we're going to do is we're going to do set score to 0. And then we're going to do change score by 1 and put that over in the sprite clicked. So now you can see it changes like that, and then when you click it goes back to 0. So then for the my high score we're going to create a new script. For here we're going to do when flag clicked forever if, and then we're going to do score is greater than my high score, then it'll set my high score to score. And then you'll see you go up and click the flag to reset it, and my high score is 12, the current score is 0. You can keep going up, and then as soon as it passes it, it's the same. Now it's the same script for the cloud, so we can just copy that and change the things around to world score and world high score. So now the world high score is changing, but we don't want any script at the beginning changing the my high score. And the reason why is every time you click the flag it'll reset the score, but not that score. But this does not make it a cloud variable. The difference between this and this is that this is saved on the cloud. This is just saved off of I did not mean to do that. Let's see. This is just saved on the, it's just saved locally. When you play the game, if you reload the page, it'll reset the thing. But if you just click the flag, it doesn't reset it. So that's why we don't have anything stopping this. But if I was to leave this project with that as my final score and then save the project, which would usually be here if I changed something like that, save now, this is, when everybody loads the project, this is the score that they're going to have. This is going to be the highest score. And then maybe they'll get past that, and then when they reload the page, it'll go back to 41. So I need to have a script somewhere in here changing my score to 0 and normal score to 0 and world high score to 0. So this is just so I can like reset it when I'm doing testing and stuff. So then when I save the project and I go to C project page and type in all this stuff and make the title, then and hit share. When I hit share, this is how everything's gonna look. This is gonna look like that. That's gonna look like that. That's gonna look like the normal high score, and it'll work great. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something. If you guys want to see me do more stuff with the cat clicker, including upgrades and maybe even a leaderboard list, something like that, just things to make the game look more interesting and fun to play, leave a comment down below and leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe.